Thickening tomato stems can be beneficial for providing more support to the plants and helping them withstand the weight of the fruit. Here are 5 tips to help you thicken tomato stems. Before we start this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. 1. Pruning technique. Regularly prune your tomato plants. Pinch off the suckers, which are the small shoots that grow in the crotch joint of 2 branches. This directs the plant's energy towards strengthening the main stem and existing branches, making them thicker and sturdier. 2. Proper watering. Avoid overwatering your tomato plants, as this can lead to weak stems. Provide consistent and moderate watering to encourage deep root growth, which in turn promotes stronger stems. 3. Support structures. Use support structures such as stakes, cages or trellises to provide additional support to the tomato plants. Tie the stems gently to the support structures, ensuring they have room to grow but are still supported. This can prevent the stems from bending under the weight of the fruit. 4. Fertilization. Provide the tomato plants with a balanced fertilizer that is higher in phosphorus and potassium. These nutrients promote strong root systems and overall plant health, leading to thicker and stronger stems. 5. Mulching. Apply mulch around the base of the tomato plants to maintain soil moisture levels, prevent weeds, and regulate soil temperature. A stable environment with consistent moisture and temperature can promote healthy stem development. By implementing these tips, you can encourage the growth of thicker tomato stems, which will ultimately contribute to the overall health and productivity of your tomato plants. I hope you like this information. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and family.